Class, so we are again connected. No, हिमांशी आवाज आ रही मेरी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
आ रही है
we
sir.
were just talking about the challenge responses. So in authentication, the claimant proved her identity by demonstrating that she knows the secret, the password. However, because the claimant sent the secret, so it is susceptible to interception by the advisor. In challenge response authentication, the claimant proves that she knows a secret without sending it. In other words, the claimant does not send the secret to the verifier, so the verifier either has it or find it. चैलेंज रिस्पांस में यही होता है कि द ऑथेंटिकेशन में कि हमारा जो क्लेमेंट है वो प्रूव करता है दैट शी नोज अ सीक्रेट विदाउट सेंडिंग इट टू द वेरीफायर. Yeah, so this is about the challenge response. Clear? इसके बाद सिमेट्री की साइफर्स हैं जो कि आपका देख सकते हैं. दिस इज हाउ द सिमेट्री की साइफर्स टेक प्लेस. दिस इज अ यूनिडायरेक्शनल सिमेट्री की ऑथेंटिकेशन where Alice sends the message to the Bob. Alice is claimant and Bob is verifier. So Alice ने Bob को मैसेज भेजा. Then second message is coming from Bob to Alice. That is the verifier message. Yeah, clear? Yeah, you can say RB. That is a message sent by the Bob. Then it is encrypted. You can see. So Alice ने इसको lock किया. That is used by the key. So it is encrypted now with the Alice Bob secret key. So this is how the symmetric authentication takes place in unidirectional way. So next will be discussed in the next tutorial. Further topics will be discussed in the next tutorial. I think most of the students have been left out. Thank you, class.